Alright, this is the GoPro Hero 12 first flight. Let's see how it goes.
Not so fast. I just got this thing. Hero 12 came in the mail yesterday. I'm super stoked to try it out. I've gotten a few packs in and a few test flights. It was the great deal though. $300 for the camera plus 3 batteries and a dual charger from GoPro.com. Definitely where I recommend picking it up. Don't pay the Best Buy tags if you can help it. But what you want to know is it better than the 12, right? I just had a 11 I killed in the concrete. Firing up the 12 now. Image quality looks about the same. Settings are about the same. The files that it produces are about the same. Visually, it looks about the same. The one thing that I think it does better is Hypersmooth. Hypersmooth has been lacking in the last GoPro or two. I really feel like 9 was about peak Hypersmooth. Um, Came out on 7, 8 it got better, 9 it got really, really good. That was as good as it got. And 10 and 11, I started seeing more artifacts and shakes and stutters in my drone footage. And I fly rough quads, right? I beat them into concrete. I smash them up. The motors are not clean. They're all beat up and filthy. So it's important for me for my footage to be able to be stabilized and still look nice and clean, despite how rough my quad is. Because I can see vibes in the FPV footage, and the GoPro is doing a really really good job of smooshing all that out and making it all look buttery smooth, even in prop wash situations. I'm very happy with that. It's definitely an improvement over the last. Now I'll continue to beat on this thing and give it more rougher and rougher flights and see how it does. But I typically don't stabilize my freestyle footage, just my cinematic work. Um, and like with DJI for the O3 DVR, I don't really run any stabilization. But it's a terrific backup if you're trying to save weight. This thing, though, is whipping and ripping and no vibes. I'm very happy. Definitely see an improvement though, just in that. That's the biggest difference. I wouldn't say if you've got an 11 you need to go out and upgrade. I don't think that at all. But when the 11 dies, I say grab that 12. It's nice. It's working real nice. I haven't had a lot of experiences with it charging yet, especially since they gave me an external charger. Um, and I already have a three-way external charger, so now I've got an army of batteries and an army of external chargers. So it should be easy to keep these babies up and running. Um, I don't know. What are you guys flying? I've flown the Action 2 a lot. I had 3 or 4 of those puppies. Fantastic lightweight cameras. Kind of like a gateway for the O3, really. This is on the O3. Do you see how far away I am? The Earth is between me and the quad right now, and it's just going, going, and going. But uh, but yeah, Action 2. I have not tried the Action 4s. I'm curious about them. I'd love to see somebody's camera footage raw and see how it looks. Um, all the GoPros though, I ran sessions 8, 9, 10, 11, and now 12, and they continue to be the best in my experience. Crystal clear on automatic. I am shooting 4K by 120. That's usually what I'm ripping for chase footage and things like that, and that's where I wanted to see it. Yeah, that's it. Happy flying, everybody. Enjoy the cameras you got. If you need a new camera, I definitely recommend the $300 Hero 12.
That went well.
Peace.